Hello, today we will guide you through how to add page in Confluence. We'll walk through the simple process of creating a new page, updating its title, and choosing a template so your page is ready to use. This is a quick task, but taking a moment to understand each part of the page creation flow can make it much easier to organize content in Confluence. To begin, open the Confluence overview page for the space where you want your new content to live. Starting from the overview page is helpful because it confirms you're in the correct space before creating anything new. If you work across multiple spaces, this can help prevent pages from being added in the wrong location. Once you're on the overview page, move to the top of the screen and click Create. This opens the content creation options in Confluence and is the main starting point whenever you want to add something new. If you don't see it right away, look across the top navigation bar. After selecting Create, click Page. This tells Confluence that you want to create a standard page rather than another type of content. When the page editor opens, you'll be taken into a draft where you can begin setting up the page before publishing it. At the top of the editor, click on the page name area to change the title. This is where you should enter a clear, descriptive name for your page. A good title makes the page easier to find later and helps teammates understand what the page contains at a glance. If you're building documentation, meeting notes, or project information, choosing a specific title now can save time later. Next, click All Templates and select the sample template page. Templates can be useful because they give your page a structure right away, which is especially helpful if you want a consistent layout across your workspace. Using a template can also reduce formatting time and make it easier to start adding content without working from a blank page. Once you've selected the template, your new page is set up and ready for you to continue editing based on your needs. From here, you can begin adding text, headings, tables, or other content inside the page editor whenever you're ready. That's the process for adding a page in Confluence. As a final tip, take a quick look at the page title and template before moving on, just to make sure everything is set the way you want. This small check can help you stay organized and avoid extra edits later.